Hi, I'm Dr. Ambika from My Private Dentist, and I have been reviewing the Zima Dental Pod products, specifically the new Zima Dental Pod Pro, which has got lots of great new upgrades. Now, if you have had braces, then you know that retainers are a long-term commitment to keeping your teeth in the position that you'd like them to be in. So even a year, 2 years down the line, if you stop wearing your retainers, your teeth will move. So you need something to clean them, obviously, and keep them fresh and disinfected, but without being damaged. Now, I recommend all of my patients to get an ultrasonic pod after they have their braces and they get their retainers, because brushing, scrubbing with toothpaste is not recommended. The Zima Pods are ultrasonic dental appliances, so they're used to clean retainers, teeth whitening trays, and for toothbrush heads for the whole family. They work using ultrasonic waves, so you pop them into the appliance, press the button, and in 5 minutes you get a thorough and deep disinfection and clean of any oral appliance. My routine, I have my pod in my bedroom by my bedside so I never forget. I wear my retainers at night, and in the morning I put fresh water in the pod, pop it on, and it does a 5-minute thorough clean. That means it eliminates any need for any brushing or scrubbing of your appliance. You simply pop it in, let it do its magic, rinse it, and it's good to go, and you can wear your retainers again the following night. The Zima appliance is completely abrasive and damage free. There's no need for scrubbing. If you're not scrubbing them and they're not being damaged, then you can keep your retainers in good nick for longer, meaning that they won't need to be replaced as often. The Zima Pod Pro is a new product. Now, I've been using the Zima Pod and I've been a big fan of it for a while. And so I was a little skeptical as to whether there was any need for a Zima Pod Pro, but having used it and tried it, I'm really pleased with the upgrades. And if you're considering an ultrasonic appliance to clean your retainers, I would absolutely recommend getting the Zima Pod Pro. The biggest upgrade is the detachable base. So you can remove the tank to refill water without unplugging and moving the base. That's huge. It's a safety feature, so you're not having to take an electrical input next to a water source, but also it's just so easy to remove, fill with water, and then it seamlessly fits back onto the top. The other thing with the Zima Pod Pro is their max mode clean. So the Zima Pod and the Zima Pod Pro both offer a 5-minute 42,000 Hertz ultrasonic clean, but the max mode on the Pro is a deep stain busting 15-minute cycle. So if you are using them with older retainers or they're looking quite dull and discolored, then you could do that. To activate the max mode, you double click the start button and that will start the 15-minute cycle. It automatically shuts off after 5 minutes. So it's a great safety feature as well. If you forget that it's on, it will turn off, it won't overheat, and there's no damage to your appliance. The size is great, it's lightweight, it's super compact. I would take my Zima Pod on holiday with me as well, just because I'm wearing my retainers every night and I know that this will keep them super clean. Now, Zima recommend using a disinfectant tablet if you're wearing your retainers for 6 hours or more. But to be honest, I use my disinfectant tablets about once a week. Zima sell their own brand of ultrasonic sterilizing tablets, and this is the one that they recommend. However, I personally use Retainer Bright. They work in the same way, and these are a little bit cheaper. The cost of the Zima Pods, so the Zima Pod is £80 and the Zima Pod Pro is £100. So it's a little bit more expensive, but to be honest, with the upgrade of the detachable base, it makes it so much easier and seamless to use. I think it's a good upgrade. Your retainers are a long-term commitment, and so I think the investment is well worth it. If you're interested in purchasing a Zima Pod or a Zima Pod Pro, there's a discount code listed below. Hope this was helpful. If you're interested in seeing more videos like this where we review dental products, please like and subscribe.